Ever needed your routing number in a pinch and wished you could find it instantly? Good news for Huntington Bank customers, locating your routing number is a breeze with their mobile app. Let's dive right in and show you how. First, tap on the Huntington mobile banking app icon on your phone to open it. Once the app is open, you'll need to log in using your username and password or your preferred biometric method, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your account summary screen. Here, locate the account you need the routing number for and tap on it. This will bring you to the account details screen. Now look for the three dots, often called a menu or more options icon, usually located in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and tap on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Select the option that says account and routing number. It might also say something similar like direct deposit information. And just like that, your account number and routing number will be displayed on the screen. You can now easily copy this information or write it down for whatever purpose you need, like setting up a direct deposit or making an electronic payment. And there you have it. Finding your Huntington Bank routing number is that simple with the mobile app, giving you convenient access to your financial information on the go.